teacher. This is Shashi from your SST department. Today we are going to start our chapter of class 10, that is manufacturing industries. Before going to the topic manufacturing industries, let us consider what is manufacturing. Manufacturing means production of goods in a large amount and we get a final processed good that is available to us in the market. So quantities after processing raw material. When you are converting the raw material after processing and finally coming to the market, that is called manufacturing. Now these are under secondary sector. When these raw material is processed and finally under the processing section, it converts themselves into secondary goods. So manufacturing industries or industrial sector is under the secondary sector. Now what is the importance of manufacturing industries? Basically when we talk about manufacturing and what are the profits of manufacturing industries, not the least, first help in modernizing agriculture. How does it help in, when I am talking about modernizing agriculture means these days we are using so many tools and implements for our agriculture. Now how do we get these tools, these implements, the fertilizers, the pesticides which you are using, the best variety of seeds, HY seeds which you are using? How do we get? Only because of the helping hand of the manufacturing industries. Reduces the pressure on the agriculture. How does it reduce the pressure on agriculture? We have done disguised unemployment, open, these type of unemployments. If a person is a farmer, all the family members are engaged in the agriculture work, whether they are needed or they are not, but they are in the agriculture sector. Now these extra people who are actually using their labor in the agriculture field, which is of no use. So these industry has provided this extra physical labor and opportunity in the secondary sector. Now these people who are directly or indirectly dependent on agriculture have now moved on to the industrial sector, creating employment opportunities and reducing poverty. Employment when a person is earning for its livelihood, poverty very low. So when you are having ample of opportunities to engage yourself in some occupational task, earn your livelihood, earn money. So it will be 1 point, getting employment. Second, helps in reducing the poverty. Expansion of trade and commerce. No doubt, manufacturing industries, when give a supporting hand to the agriculture, to the industrial sector and everything, it will definitely pull up or enhance the trade and commerce. And not to say, development of trade and commerce definitely helps you to gain foreign exchange as well. Because lot of import and exports are being done. This helps in the foreign exchange income. Contribution to Indian economy. What is the contribution when we talk about of this manufacturing industries? May not be so much of contribution as we talk, but 17% in the last 2 decades. The contribution of manufacturing industries in the last 2 decades, if we consider, it is only 17%. No doubt, there is always a chance to develop. This is not the least one. Total contribution of GDP is GDP, gross domestic product. So total contribution of GDP is 27%, out of which 10% comes from mining, electricity, gas and quarry. Again industrial sector, these are considered to be under industries. Growth of 7% and 9 to 10%. Now considering the growth, it was 7% growth when we talk about last 2 decades. But by 2003, there was not an ample of development, we can say. We had a development per annum of 9 and 10%. This is not a very hike up or a very satisfactory development, but we expect in the coming decades, we will definitely have a pull-up success development in the industrial sector. NMCC, the National Manufacturing Competitiveness Council, has been established to improve the share of GDP by the industrial sector. This council, with the involvement of government policies, plans for the development and enhancement of the industrial sector, has been planning to improve the share of GDP by the industrial sector. Now coming to the location of industries. Before establishing any industry at a particular place, what are the priority levels which you consider to be in your industrial region? What are the availabilities you needed? Coming to the first availability, raw material. Raw material should be available to the nearby area where you are establishing an industry. For example, if you are establishing an iron industry, you need to have iron ore near to your area. You will find the location. Second, you wanted a labor. मजदूर आपको चाहिए फैक्ट्रीज में काम करने के लिए. Engineers, technical skills, knowledge gainers can be provided, but labor at a large scale cannot be carried or migrated from one place to other. So they want an area where the migrated labor are already residing there, so that they don't need to carry that extra load from one place to other. Capital, of course, money. पैसे नहीं होंगे तो कुछ नहीं हो. So you need a capital, a sound amount of money, so that you can think of establishing some industry for the development. Power, electricity supply. You need electricity supply, and that is possible if you have some water sources nearby, so that the hydroelectricity can be within an approach for your establishment of industry. Coming to the market, what is the use if I am producing something and no one is to purchase? Same procedure, the supply should be reaching to the place where it is demanded. अगर वो सामान उसकी डिमांड पर पहुंचना नहीं है तो मेरा सामान बनाने का या गुड्स या प्रोडक्शन का कोई बेनिफिट नहीं होता है. एंड फाइनली इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. When I am having all these things, but I don't know how to use, I don't have that skill, that knowledge how to use, where to use, how to place. So I need a infrastructure where I can assemble all these things to the particular place which will finally help me in the development of my industry and plus getting me maximum profit by my establishment. Thank you. Have a nice day.